This iTunes alternative is very much superlative. I tried every no catch way, and here it is for you today. I already paid for the music and the phone. Tell the marketers to leave me alone. Boom boom, chicha chicha, boom boom boom, boom boom boom. Boom boom, chicha chicha, boom boom boom, boom boom, chicha chicha, boom boom boom.
In the last video, you saw this music manager application for ripping CDs. This time, let's install it and set it up. Foobar 2000 works with Windows and Mac plus iOS and Android. I will show you some layouts and settings. This is the Foobar 2000 website. You can download it here or explore other sections like Windows, macOS, and skins. They also have sections for news, encoders, and more. It's a great resource. These are 3 .org applications. Here is a reminder pic of my perfect, hopefully future-proof system, which organizes my music on my Windows computer. This system also allows me to synchronize the music that I want to my iPhone. I don't do paywall-ware, nor do I participate in subscription-ware. No thanks. I buy my music legit. I want that money to go to the music artists and only to the music artists. This video, 2 of my iTunes alternative videos series, shows the installation of these 3 applications. Starting with Foobar 2000, I am downloading the 64-bit installer for this Windows 11 computer. It's not really my computer. This one has 4 hard drives on it. This Windows partition is never used anymore, it is perfect for this video series. So I am downloading all of the necessary installation files for my iTunes alternative system so that it's just easier to see the exact right places to get this software from. All 3 are .org sites. There are alternatives to these, but these 3 are best of class overall, for Windows and iPhone in particular. This is me moving the downloaded files from the C drive downloads folder to the F drive. There's an argument out there that I may be a bit meticulous in my methodology. Anyways, that is what you see here. From the Foobar website, I pull down the application installer along with the encoder pack. With those, I can utilize my computer as a music booth and I can rip music CDs. Foobar has been around since 2002. This application is a staple for audio files. Besides its longevity, the music player is known for its minimalist interface. Next up is CopyTrans Manager. On this one, it first requires us to download the CopyTrans Control Center goodie. From the Control Center we install, then we can launch any of their 9 applications. We want CopyTrans Manager. Today, this is version 1.311. This is what you see me doing here. And yes, it is going to my F drive in a special folder. The purpose of CopyTrans Manager is to push the music files to the iPhone, and it puts them in the place on the phone where the iPhone music application can play them. I still use that on my phone until Apple tries to charge me for that too. If you don't want me buying your phones, just say so. Now I will download Music Brain's Picard. Here is another longtime music enthusiast staple app. They have their own database. The software remains actively maintained by the Meta Brains Foundation and is available as a free, open-source tool on GitHub. This is exactly the kind of software that I trust. Be sure to download this and all of your software directly from the sources. Always avoid downloading from Baitware software download hubs like FileHippo, Softonic, and the like. This software and the information about it best comes from musicbrains.org. From their website, quote, MusicBrains is an open music encyclopedia that collects music metadata and makes it available to the public. MusicBrains aims to be ultimate source of music information by allowing anyone to contribute and releasing the data under open licenses, unquote. They have a new version coming out soon. In fact, I think that it is in beta already. Hang on to this website. Bookmark all 3 in fact, Foobar, CopyTrans, and MusicBrains. What I am hoping for is to spread the word and put these applications on your radar. This is the way.
I need to stand up dance right about here.
So now we install everything. Double-click the downloaded file to install it. Certainly, we will install one at a time. They both install quickly. I am going with a typical installation on everything. These install to the C drive under the Program Files folder or the Program Files x86 folder. Meanwhile, sometimes you see the option to install a portable type. Along the way, an installer may ask if you want a desktop shortcut or not. I only mention these details just in case, because I want everyone to be able to watch to know exactly how to make this work. I am opening up foobar and setting up a quick default layout, and that's about it. Hello Kitty is my favorite color scheme. There will be another separate video later on each application one by one. Keep your eye on this series because I am also importing an iTunes library into this computer. You will not believe how fast this system, these 3 applications, set up and used the way I demonstrate in this video series, sorts things out. No more do I find myself retentively expending vast amounts of time looking for album art and etc. Here is the CopyTrans Control Center installing. Blink not because it is quick. Then look for specifically CopyTrans Manager 1.311. Yes, CopyTrans has various nifty applications. All install and launch from their control center, just like this. Here is the CopyTrans Control Center installing. Blink not because it is quick. Then look for specifically CopyTrans Manager 1.311. Yes, CopyTrans has various nifty applications. All install and launch from their control center, just like this. Although this one is free, most of the applications they sell for $20. And last but not least, Music Brain's Picard is now installing. This completes video 2, which is downloading and installing foobar, CopyTrans, and Picard. Watch for my next videos on each of these products, plus one extra I will call. Pimp my foobar. Individually, these softwares are great. Together, the iTunes alternative system is unbeatable.
Boom, home, boom, chicha, chicha, home, boom, boom, home, boom, chicha, chicha, home, boom, boom, home, boom. iTunes alternative, very much superlative. iTunes alternative is very much superlative.